G'day guys, I wanted to talk to you about fixings during your framing on a project. So I just want to show you some of the things that we do on DPS Construction's project. So on this particular frame that the team are working on at the moment, we've got a lot of structural steel work. So that means we've got a lot of timber studs screwed to SHS posts and even some CHS posts. So for that, we're using the Series 500. They're a metal drilling screw. And we're putting those in at 700 to 800 mil centres. So that means our timber's firmly fixed to our steelwork, nice and straight, not going to go anywhere. But when you've got a wall like this that has actually got a 3 metre bracing panel, it's got all this bracing ply to go on it, it means that that wall is going to be securely fastened to the steel work, which is going to transfer all that movement and that bracing into that structure. The other screw that we use is this one here, so a 100 mil concrete screw. So we don't, you can see it down here, we don't use a Hilti gun or a Ramset gun or concrete pins that people drive in with a hammer on our bottom plates. So you'll see here, all of our plates get screwed down. So, and we screw them off at about 600 centres. And to me, you can see some more over here. That is just a far, far better finish. These 100 mil concrete screws are fantastic. The boys these days have always got the impact driver and that in there hanging off their nail bag. So to screw these walls down, you can see another one over here. So we've got a join in a bottom plate here. So we've got a screw there. We've got another screw over there. Using screws to me means there's no risk of movement, and our walls are spot on, millimetre perfect. So as the boys are standing them up, we've got another team member coming around behind them, screwing them all down. So again, screwing them off at 600 mil centres, they are rock solid, they're not going to move. There's just no risk, and it's just another step towards having a perfect frame, our walls staying straight, and getting a perfect job for our clients.